Hello and welcome. I'm Paige, and I'm so glad you found your way here. Today, we're going to give your nervous system a full, slow, intentional massage from the inside out. Not with hands, but with awareness. Your attention is one of the most powerful tools you have, and today we're going to use it like a soft, warm touch, moving through your body, releasing held tension, and reminding every cell that it is safe to rest. Find yourself lying down on your back, arms a little away from your sides, palms softly open. Let your feet drop naturally to either side. The blanket, pillow beneath your knees, or an eye covering helps you settle. Take a moment to arrange yourself now. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to close. Let the surface beneath you receive your full weight. You don't have to hold yourself up. Before we begin our journey through the body, we'll plant a sankalpa, a heartfelt intention, a seed of resolve. This is a short, positive statement placed in the fertile ground of your relaxed awareness. You might already carry one, or you can receive this offering. My body knows how to heal. My nervous system is safe, steady, and at ease. Repeat your sankalpa silently in your mind 3 times with sincerity and trust. Now we begin the massage of awareness, a slow, unhurried sweep through your body. Simply notice each area as I name it. Your awareness itself is the touch. Bring your attention to the crown of your head. Your forehead smooth and wide. Your eyes, eyelids resting closed, soft beneath. Your jaw releasing, letting space open between your teeth. Your throat open and relaxed. The back of your neck heavy and long. Both shoulders together now, melting down away from your ears. Both arms at once, heavy and warm. Your elbows, your wrists, both hands together, palms soft and open, fingers gently releasing. Your chest rising and falling with each breath. Your heart space warm and steady. Your belly soft and unguarded. Your lower back heavy against the ground. Your hips, both sides sinking. Both legs together now. Your thighs heavy and at rest. Your knees soft at the joint. Your calves releasing into the ground. Both feet, the heels, the arches, the soles, warm and grounded. All 10 toes releasing. Now expand your awareness to hold the whole body at once. One complete field of sensation. Whole, warm, deeply at ease. Let's invite one round of cleansing breath to complete this massage. A soft inhale through your nose. And a long, slow exhale. Let the breath out be twice as long as the breath in. Again, breathe in gently, and a slow, steady exhale, as if releasing the very last traces of held tension. And once more, in and out completely. Now let your breath return to its own natural rhythm. It's time now to begin your return. Before we transition, bring your sankalpa back to mind one more time. Repeat it silently, sealing this intention in your deepest awareness. Begin to sense the borders of your body once again. Notice where your skin meets the air, where your body meets the surface beneath you. Feel the volume of your body, the space you occupy. You are here, whole, safe. Let your breath deepen just slightly, expanding your rib cage a little more with each inhale. Gently awaken sensation in your fingers and toes. Tiny movements, a soft flutter. If it feels right, you might roll onto your right side, curling into a restful shape, or simply remain where you are. Take a moment to lie quietly, eyes still closed or softly open. Take a moment to thank yourself for offering this gift of deep rest today. May you carry this sense of ease with you. May your nervous system remember this feeling of steady, quiet calm. May you move through your day feeling massaged from the inside out, grounded and at home in your body. Thank you for joining me today. When you're ready, you can slowly sit up and carry this calm into your day. Or, if you prefer, feel free to stay here and rest for a few more minutes. There's no rush. Take whatever time you need.